Princess. It's the Glam Princess. And I hope you all are doing so wonderful today. I know I am, and I am so blessed, and I know that you are as well. So y'all, we are going to do a DIY, and this is going to be a gold tray that's going to go in one of my rooms. And we're going to use this beautiful tile that dotflower.com sent me. It's gold, and it kind of give you the impression of crushed diamond, but it's not. It's kind of like, I want to say an epoxy over the tile. It's kind of mirrored or whatever, but it is gorgeous, y'all. I love it. It is beautiful. And also we're going to use some glitter. We're going to use some of the mosaic tiles that I previously got from Amazon, I believe. We're going to use these little knobs. They're so cute, y'all. I got these from Amazon. I wanted some black ones. I thought that they would be very different. I love those. I'm going to use them in another DIY. But for today, we are going to use them as handles, okay? So then we have our glue, scissors, our brush, and we also have our glue gun, of course. So y'all, this, I got this from Walmart. No, I didn't. I think I got it from Ross. But it is just like a calendar. You know what? I got it from, I want to say Pop Shelf. Y'all, I cannot remember where I got this from. But anyway, it is, it's like a monthly calendar or something like that. So I thought that this would make a beautiful tray. So y'all, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to spray paint this calendar. I think like a metallic gold. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Because the golds, there are different shades of gold. And I think I have two kinds, but I'm gonna do it in the metallic gold. So I will be back after it dries to finish the project, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so I went on ahead and spray painted the calendar, and these are the knobs that I said I was going to use, but I don't think I'm going to use them, y'all. I think I'm going to use something else. So let's go ahead and get started on the project, and later I'll show you the changes that I've made. So what I'm going to do is take these tiles, and they are so gorgeous, y'all. They're so super cute. I love these. I'm going to take these and I'm going to go ahead and glue them onto the calendar. so far. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add these drawer pulls on here instead of the round ones. I thought this would look a little bit better. Now, I don't like these, but it's what I had. So, you know, sometimes we gotta use what we got, you know. This is just gonna be for show, so it's not gonna be, I mean, if you want it to last or whatever, then you do need to have some E6000 or any kind of heavy duty glue to put on here. I'm just using it for decor reasons, so we're gonna roll with it. Okay, Glam fam, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna decorate the tray, and I will show you all how it looks. Okay, Glam fam, so check out the end result of this tray, y'all. It is so beautiful. I am loving the tile. The tile really does make a statement. I really love that. And the black and gold has always been some colors that I really, really loved. I like black and silver together, but black I really do love because it is a sleek, chic, and just a sexy color, y'all. So I decided to put some candles on the tray and decorate a little flower, put some little glitter on there. I actually put the little diamond, not diamond, but the mosaic tile around the candle just to give it a little glam look to it or whatever. But my fragrances are Australian sandalwood and cinnamon maple. I got the cinnamon maple from Ross. They have some good smelling candles and some good scents, some room sprays and everything. So y'all check out that area in Ross. Marshalls, they sometimes have the room spray that I like too, but it usually comes, it's not a bottle like this, but I love the way these bottles are, so I bought like 10 of them, but this was my favorite fragrance. So anyway, y'all, I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all be blessed.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this? Oh God.